If you've been struggling with painful cystic acne that just won't go away, what I'm about to share with you could completely change your skin. Rice water. Yes, the same water you've been throwing down the drain after cooking rice might be the secret weapon your skin has been waiting for. And the best part? It costs almost nothing, and you can start today. Now, I know what you're thinking. Rice water? Really? But here's the thing. This isn't some random internet trend. Rice water has been used for centuries in Asian skincare for a reason. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can reduce inflammation, balance your skin's pH, and actually help clear those deep, stubborn breakouts that feel like they're never going away. So if you give me the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to prepare it, how to use it the right way, and what mistakes to avoid so you can finally see real results. Oh, and by the way, if you want to go even deeper and learn advanced skincare routines that prevent acne, blackheads, and breakouts before they even start, there's a free skincare course I'll link in the description below. It's helped thousands of people take control of their skin the right way, but more on that in a bit. So here's the deal. I've personally helped hundreds of people deal with cystic acne, and I've seen just about every remedy out there. Some work, most don't. But rice water? This one surprised me. The science actually backs it up, and the results speak for themselves. Let me walk you through it. First, let's talk about what makes rice water so powerful. When you soak or boil rice, the water absorbs a ton of nutrients. Things like inositol, which helps repair damaged skin, vitamins B and E, which soothe inflammation, and amino acids that strengthen your skin barrier. For cystic acne, which is deep, inflamed, and often painful, these ingredients work together to calm the skin, reduce redness, and speed up healing. Think about it. Cystic acne isn't just a surface problem. It's happening deep under your skin. So you need something that penetrates and soothes from within. That's exactly what rice water does. All right, let's get practical. Here's how you make rice water at home. Take half a cup of uncooked rice. White or brown both work. Rinse it thoroughly under cold water to remove any dirt or impurities. Then place the rice in a bowl and cover it with about 2 cups of clean water. Let it soak for 30 minutes. During this time, the water will turn cloudy. That's the good stuff. After 30 minutes, strain the rice and pour the water into a clean container. That's your rice water. Simple, right? Now, some people prefer the boiled method. If that's you, just boil the rice like you normally would, but use extra water. Once it's cooked, strain out the rice and let the water cool. Same result, just a different method. Here's where it gets even better. Using rice water is just as easy as making it. Start with a clean face. I can't stress this enough. If your skin isn't clean, the rice water won't absorb properly. So wash your face with a gentle cleanser first. Pat it dry. Then take a cotton pad, dip it into the rice water, and gently apply it all over your face, focusing on the areas with cystic acne. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. You can even leave it on overnight if your skin tolerates it well. Then rinse with lukewarm water. Do this once or twice a day. Consistency is key. You won't see results overnight, but after about a week, you should start noticing less redness, less pain, and smoother skin. Not just for a few days. I'll drop the link below so you can check it out after this video. But listen, before you run to your kitchen, let me tell you the biggest mistakes people make with rice water. Mistake number 1, using it on dirty skin. Like I said, always cleanse first. Mistake number 2, not storing it properly. Rice water can go bad. Keep it in the fridge and use it within a week. Mistake number 3, expecting instant miracles. This isn't magic. It takes time. Be patient. Be consistent. Look, I get it. Cystic acne is painful. It's frustrating. It messes with your confidence. You've probably tried a million things already, and you're tired of wasting money on products that don't work. That's why I love this remedy. It's natural, it's affordable, and it actually works if you give it a real chance. And if you're serious about taking control of your skin for good, don't just stop here. Go check out that free skincare course I keep mentioning. It's packed with routines, product recommendations, and insider tips that'll help you prevent breakouts before they even start. It's completely free. And honestly, it's one of the best resources out there for anyone dealing with acne, blackheads, or uneven skin. The link is right there in the description. Don't skip it. So here's the bottom line. Rice water isn't a gimmick. It's a simple, science-backed solution that can genuinely help clear cystic acne when used the right way. Try it for 2 weeks, stay consistent, and pair it with smart skincare habits. Your skin will thank you. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss more easy skincare tips like this. And drop a comment below. Have you ever tried rice water? I'd love to hear your experience. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Take care of that beautiful skin.